Hey, what's going on, everybody? Brian here, Revenue Pro Tips. Welcome back to the channel for another Quick Tip Tuesday video of the week. All right, look, guys, today we're talking about sabotaging or not sabotaging your success financially. Look, here, I'm gonna make it simple and sweet. If you are somebody who is wondering why is it that you're not catching no breaks financially, why are you working so hard? You've gone from job to job, or either you've been on the same job maybe for a few years, 10 years, even 20 years, but financially, you're just not finding yourself in a better situation. You might want to start thinking about your self-talk, and particularly what you're saying to yourself, obviously, about money. Look, I've been around people, I've been in an environment. I even at one point was somebody who would say, well, money is not all that important. Here's what I want to really bring into your consciousness, your awareness. Okay, look, have you ever been in a relationship, or let's put it this way, if you told your spouse or your child or just somebody who means a lot to you and you mean a lot to them, if you told them they're not all that important, that do you think they would like stick around? Do you think your spouse, if you said, I like you, but you're not all that important, you're not everything, right? You think they would stick around? Probably not. Okay, so look, the point today is don't sabotage, because money, if you understand money, if you understand universal laws and universal principles, guys, money has a language, and that language is energy, right? And that what you put out, you will get back to you, right? You guys are aware of that, right? You probably apply that principle and that concept in other areas of life, but you think that money is just like this thing, right? But everything is energy, okay? And I'm not gonna get into the conscious and subconscious and energy and all that thing, but I do want to bring this to your awareness, because money, it's like money has ears almost, okay? And money hears, okay? And it feels. And if you subconsciously or even consciously are saying, in your conversations with other people, that money isn't all that important, right? Well, then the money that you have is going to go away. The money that was on its way to you is going to turn around and go to somebody who is looking and ready to receive money and who enjoys money and would like to have a lot more money. All right. So again, guys, today's quick tip is about not sabotaging your success with putting out the wrong energy when it comes to money and finances. Okay, because I've been around, like I said, I've done it myself. You want to put yourself in a receptive and a desirable state for money. And I promise you, once you do this and you appreciate the value, you appreciate, it's not so much about the money, but it's about what the money can do for you, and do for your loved ones and the people you do care about. All right. So again, if you're not willing to tell your spouse or your children or people you love that they're not all that important, don't do that with money, okay? Unless you want to continue to struggle financially, all right? So that is it for today. Short, sweet, simple. Start liking money. Start desiring it. Continue to work for it, all right? But here, we got to program the mind to make money drawn to you, all right? So that is it for today's Quick Tip Tuesday video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. Hope you've gotten great value. If you have, hit that thumbs up button. Let us know you're liking it, you're loving it. Share, comment, subscribe, little red subscribe button and the bell notification right next to it. All right. Follow us on all social media platforms at Revenue Pro Tips. And this is Brian. We will see you soon. Peace.